guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tanvi and I welcome you all to my channel. Those who have already subscribed to my channel, I hope you are liking my videos, so please keep on liking and sharing them. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the first time, and also go and see my previous videos, and if you like them then please subscribe to my channel. It would be a great thing. So let us start now today's video. So I will be talking about almond oil in this video. Sweet almond oil, as you all must be knowing, is very rich in antioxidants as it has vitamin E in abundance. Then it has vitamin A, zinc, copper, magnesium and so on. And it is also good for many problems that are going on in our body, and it is very good for our hair and skin. So I will be focusing on hair and skin problems today in this video, and I will be talking about the Upakarma Ayurveda Sweet Badam Rogan today, and how I have been benefited from this oil. I have been using it already for 2 to 3 months now, and this is the kind of the packaging of this product. It comes in this kind of a glass bottle. It is 100 ml in quantity, and you will get it around 300 rupees on different websites. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa. I got it from Nykaa, and you will get it from many websites dealing with child clothing, because I first get to know about this oil through any such website where I saw many positive reviews about this oil. Many things I mentioned over the packaging. It deals with respiratory allergies, constipation, dandruff, skin, dark circles. That means you can take it orally as well as you can apply it on the hair and skin. So talking about the benefits of almond oil for hair and skin is that it helps your skin to remain nourished. It deals with the pigmentation, as vitamin E fights with the free radicals, so it prevents premature aging. It keeps your skin nourished. Then it has vitamin A that helps in cell turnover. Then there is zinc that deals with the pigmentation or any dark patches or the dark circles that you are having all over your skin. So when I used it, I started seeing the effects gradually, and it won't happen over the night, but yes, when you will use it gradually, you will be seeing the changes in your skin and hair both. It increases the strength of your hair roots, then it gives shine to your hair, it reduces hair fall. So I have used it for all the purposes, and yes, I have noticed these changes with this oil. So I can say this is a miracle oil for me. And if I am paying like around 300 for this product, and it is giving so many benefits, so it is I think it's worth to purchase this product. I'm satisfied, and I'm liking it and still using it. As you can see, I've already finished the half bottle. That's why I have come up with this video, and I will be showing you how I use this product and how it has helped me to reduce my dry skin problems, my hair fall, and my hair is quite rough. It was very good, I know, 8 to 10 years ago, but now they are very rough and dry and have become really brittle, so it has helped with that. Then it has reduced my dark circles, because working on the system throughout the day has caused dark circles, and that have been reduced. Then I was having dark patches that have been reduced, and my skin is dry, so I am now feeling that my skin is getting better and better day by day. And you can use it for massaging your body. It's very good for that. Even like you can use it on your elbows, or if you are having any dry patches, or for your heels even. And it's very safe. Now let us see how I use this, and how I use it for my hair and skin, and how does it work. So keep on watching till the end please, as I have put great efforts in making this video, and I'm trying to give you a better and better content with my every next video. So please give a big thumbs up to it also, and subscribe to my channel, and let's move on.
Take a bowl and take 2 to 3 spoons of almond oil. Though it has dropper, but I'm using spoon. Dropper is ideal for when we apply over the skin. Then I'm taking coconut oil over here. It is also a good coconut oil, and around 1 to 2 spoons I will be taking, and 1 to 2 spoons of aloe vera gel depending on the length of your hair. You can change the quantity. Then I have Avion capsules that has vitamin E oil. I will be adding this also as it is good for hair and skin both, and I will be applying this pack over my scalp now.
So now I'm going to apply this oil over my scalp. I have not kept it overnight, so I will be keeping it for 1 to 2 hours. That is enough. Otherwise I keep it overnight also, like on alternate basis I keep on changing the patterns. So I will be applying it on my scalp, and after washing it off I will be showing you that how this oil works on my hair. So now let me apply and will show you the results after washing it off. Keep on watching. So I have washed my hair now, and I have to wait till they get dried up to show you the final look. Till the time I will be showing you how I apply this oil on my face. But I would like to suggest one thing here, that if you are someone who wants to take care of their skin, who is very particular about their skincare regime, then please apply this oil at night only, because if you apply it in day, then there are likely chances that you are going to attract dust particles and pollutants over your face to get stick to your skin, and it's going to make your skin problems more worse. So even dermats say this thing. So try to apply this oil at night only. Almond oil is really great for dry skin problems, especially for eczema and cirrhosis. And my skin is stretchy and dry right now because I have a dry textured skin, and that is also due to a mistake that I committed once. And since the time I am using various products to heal my skin. So I will be sharing which products I have used and which products have helped my skin, and I will be making different videos on that. But first I will be showing you how I use this oil on my face.
Take a pea-sized amount of this oil through a dropper and add it with your moisturizer, and spread evenly all over your face. Pea-sized amount is fine, and you can also like put your oil over your moisturizer. That is also fine.
So this is my hair looked after they got dried up. They are shinier and bouncy also. So I'm liking this oil, the way this oil is working. You also share in the comment section if you have used this oil or are using, and if you are satisfied or not satisfied. And I would also like to add that always choose the product according to your skin and hair type. We can just share our personal experiences. This was my personal experience, but if you have a dry skin, oily skin, you have to choose the products accordingly. As dry skin people need more of nourishment, they need products that are safe to use, that have no harmful chemicals in them or ingredients that have astringent properties. They have to look for these in their products. Almond oil is generally safe to use, but you have to look for that almond oil that is suiting your skin and hair. So at this note I will be ending this video, and if you have liked my video, then please give a big thumbs up to it, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I will be meeting you soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.